Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video you're gonna learn how to download and install TURNIP Stream app on your Android phone. Okay, so for these reasons we need to go Play Store. So click on your Play Store and then search here TURNIP, TURNIP, and then go or click, and then here you can see TURNIP. It's on kind of a stream like TUIs. So TURNIP talk, chat and stream. So I have already downloaded this or installed this in my device, so I don't need to install again. So you can just click on install button, then it will be installed in your device. So if you check this app review, then you can see here 4.1 ratings and 47k reviews, and the size of the apps is 43 something like that, and 10 million people already download this app. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.